As of 2024, Samsung has near enough mastered the foldable phone, so much so that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, despite being very similar to its predecessor, achieved a 4.5 star score in our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 review. So it's likely the next model in the series, the Galaxy Z Fold 6, will also be a very good phone. First though, we have collected all the leaks and rumors about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 so far, and you will find those below. This includes information on the possible release date and price, and as well as some rumored specs and features. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is Samsung's upcoming flagship foldable phone, and even though the official release is still a couple of months away, we already have some interesting information about this foldable. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some changes to the table in order to be competitive against aggressive rivals from the Far East. We are pretty sure that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will be thinner and a tad wider than its predecessor. All rumors point toward a boxier design with flat sides and different aspect ratio for the cover screens. There are some disappointing rumors about the Galaxy Z Fold 6 camera system. It seems that Samsung won't make radical changes to the hardware and rely on software tricks and algorithms, probably sprinkled with some AI magic. We expect the Galaxy Z Fold 6 to come with the same triple camera system as its predecessor. Further down the specs sheet, when it comes to hardware, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will most likely use the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor coupled with 12GB of RAM. The storage will start at 256GB and probably go all the way up to 1TB. We expect a slight increase in battery capacity that will bring the battery of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 to total of 4600 mAh. Sadly, we don't expect any upgrades to the 25W charging. Samsung will have to battle with some pretty slim and stylish foldables, as the market is no longer as vast and as full of opportunities as Alaska during the gold fever, so the Korean company will have to amp up its game in order to compete. Here is everything we know about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 so far.